Hello kids! Our lesson for this week is about the common factors, GCF, common multiples, and LCM of 2 to 4 numbers using continuous division. Factors are numbers we multiply together to get another number. And common factors are factors that are the same for 2 or more numbers. The GCF, or greatest common factor, is the greatest number contained exactly in 2 or more numbers. A multiple of a number is the product of that number and any counting number. The list of multiples of a set of numbers are called common multiples. The LCM, or least common multiple, is the least common multiple of 2 or more numbers. Let us try to find the GCF, or greatest common factor, by using listing method and continuous division. Una, listing method. So maaari nating makuha ang GCF sa pamamagitan ng paglilista ng mga factors ng number. Example, 12 and 16. Ano daw po yung mga factors or numbers na kapag minultiply natin ay may sagot na 12 at 16? Sa 12, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So kapag nilista po natin yung factors niya, i-arrange po natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Sa 16 naman, 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. So, pag nilista po natin, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So, ang common factors po ng 12 and 16 ay, syempre, obviously, lagi po siyang may 1, 2, and 4. So, since ang hinahanap natin ay greatest common factor, so, mas malaki po yung 4. So, therefore, the greatest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. Okay, let us try another example. Find the greatest common factor of 18 and 24. Sa 18, ang kanyang factors ay 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Factors niya kapag nilista natin, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Samantalang yung 24, 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. So kapag nilista natin yung factors niya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So the GCF, or greatest common factor, of 18 and 24 is 6. So bakit 6? Although common factors nila ang 1, 2, 3, and 6, since na hinahanap natin ay greatest common factor, yung pinakamalaking factor, kukunin natin yung 6. Okay, let us use continuous division method or ladder method in finding the GCF, or greatest common factor. Example, find the GCF of 24 and 32. So in using continuous division method, there are steps to follow. Number 1, write the numbers horizontally and find the prime number that will divide all the numbers if possible. Number 2, divide by the prime numbers and write the quotient below the dividends. Number 3, continue the process until all the numbers have a common prime divisors. So susulat po natin siya horizontally, and then mag-iisip po tayo ng prime number na pwedeng i-divide sa 24 and 32. So, since na dyan ang lagi pong ginagamit, unang ginagamit natin ay 2. So, isulat po muna natin yung mga prime numbers na pwede natin gamitin as prime divisors. So, sulat natin yung first 5 prime numbers. So, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So, ito po yung first 5 prime numbers na pwede natin gamitin divisors. So, since ang 24 and 32 ay both divisible by 2, so i-divide po natin siya sa 2. Then, isulat po natin yung kanyang quotient sa baba. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12, and 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. And then, continue the process or repeat the process. Ang 12 ba at saka 16 ay divisible pa rin siya sa 2? Okay, yes. So, divide by 2. So, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. And 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Okay, yung 6 and 8 ba? Pwede pang i-divide siya sa 2. Okay, yes. So, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So, ang 3 ba at saka 4, pwede pang i-divide siya sa 2? Hindi na. Sa 3, hindi na rin. Sa 5, at lalong hindi pwede sa, kasi bigger number na siya. So, ang gagawin natin ay multiply natin ng lahat ng prime divisors. So, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So, since the GCF is the product of all the prime divisors, so, multiply po natin siya, then yung result ay yun po ang magiging GCF. So, therefore, the GCF of 24 and 32 is 8. Finding the LCM or least common multiple. Sa pagkuha po ng LCM, pwede po natin gamitin ang listing method at ang continuous division method. So, una po natin gamitin ang listing method. So, example, find the LCM of 4 and 5. So, lilista po natin ang multiples ng 4 at 5. So, pag sinabi po nating multiples, ito po yung answer kapag tayo ay nag-skip counting. So, sa 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, so on and so forth. So, sa 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So, since ang hinahanap natin ay LCM or least common multiple, yung pinakamaliit na common multiple, may multiple sa 4 at may multiple sa 5. So, ano po yung una na nagpakita dyan, na unang multiples, yung pinakamaliit? So, since na naandito ay 20, so therefore, the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Ngayon naman po ay gamitin natin ang continuous division sa pagkuha po ng LCM. So example, find the LCM of 24 and 32. So susundan po natin yung steps. Number 1, write the numbers in a horizontal line and then divide them by a prime number. Number 2, repeat step 1 until no two numbers in a new row has a common factor. Number 3, the factors of all the divisors and numbers in the final row is the LCM. So, susulat po natin yung 24 and 32 and horizontally. So, mag-iisip po tayo ng prime numbers na pwede nating i-divide. So, tulad po ng ginawa natin kanina, so 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So, yun po yung mga pwede nating i-divide dyan. So, unahin natin ang 2. Ang 24 ba at 32, parehas siya divisible by 2. Okay, yes. So, divide 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. Then 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Then continue or repeat the process. So, ang 12 and 16 ay divisible parehas ng 2. So, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Then 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Then, again, ulitin natin yung process. So, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Then, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Okay. So, since ang 3 at saka ang 4 ay hindi siya divisible pareho, but still ang 4 ay divisible pa siya ng 2. So, i-divide po pa rin natin po siya. So, divide by 2, ang gagawin natin sa 3 ay kokopyahin lang po natin. So, yung 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So, yung final row at saka yung prime divisors ay isusulat po natin. So, i-multiply po natin siya lahat. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 96. Another example in finding LCM using continuous division method. So, example, find the LCM of 10, 15, and 8. Okay, using the same steps, so we're going to write the numbers in a horizontal line and then divide them by a prime number. So yung 10, 15, and 8, since lahat ay hindi divisible by 2, so ang gagawin natin, diretso pa rin yung pag-divide. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. And since ang 15 ay hindi siya divisible by 2, as is po siya. Kokopyahin lang po natin siya sa baba. Then 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Then, mag-iisip ulit tayo ng prime number na pwedeng i-divide. So, since yung 5 at saka 15 are both divisible by 5, so 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. And 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So, since ang 4 hindi siya divisible by 5, of course, so kopyahin lang po natin siya sa baba. So, mayroon natitira 1, 3, and 4. So, anong gagawin natin? So, ano yung pwede pang i-divide dyan? So, divide natin by 3. So, yung 1, ang gagawin natin, kopyahin na lang po natin siya sa baba. Then, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So, yung 4, kopyahin lang po natin sa baba. So, parang ang target natin dito ay maging 1 siya lahat. So, since ang natitira na lang ay 1, dalawang 1 at saka isang 4, so pwede po natin siyang i-divide siya sa 2 or pwede naman directly na i-divide na siya sa 4 para maging 1 siya kasi parehas din po yun. So, divide by 4. So, 4. So, kopyahin yung dalawang 1. Then, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So, since na nasa baba na yan, eh, di ba ang rules, the product of all the divisors and the numbers in the final row is the LCM. Since na 1 din naman yan, 1 times 1, the same number pa rin siya. So, yung naka-red na prime divisors, so yun po ang magiging LCM natin. So, 2 times 5 times 3 times 4 is equal to 120. So, therefore, the LCM of 10, 15, and 8 is 120. Para sa inyong activities, mula sa inyong math module, Ang inyong learning task number 1 ay find the GCF using continuous division. So write your answer in your notebook. So number 1, 12, 16, and 24. Number 2, 18, 24, and 36. Number 3, 8, 30, and 42. Number 4, 9, 27, and 81. Sa inyong learning task number 2, find the GCF of the following numbers using continuous division. So write your answer on your notebook. Number 1, 24 and 72. Number 2, 18 and 27 and 45. Number 3, 24, 32 and 48. And number 4, 24 and 36. Para sa inyong learning task number 3, find the LCM of the following numbers using continuous division. So write your answer on your notebook. Number 1, 30 and 36. Number 2, 27 and 45. Number 3, 20, 45, and 75. Number 4, 54 and 72. Okay, thank you very much. Sana may natutunan kayo. So, kung may tanong po o clarifications about sa ating learning task, sa ating module, pwede po sa aking mag-message or mag-text sa aking cellphone number. So, paki-message na lang po sa ating GC or directly po mag-PM po sa akin. Thank you.